Hello, trading is closed on the 13th of October 2015. I'm Jeff Tennant. I said yesterday that I thought that the rally was nearing an end. I had a target of 2013.19 which printed immediately. I had a failed target of 2007.60 that was hit immediately, and there was support under it. There was also support there later in the day. I'm still waiting for this 1985.65 price target, which should print at some time. During the day, MEJT said early on ultimately lower prices would print. The market rallied to a new recovery high, but ultimately the target is shown by the white dot printed. So that worked. In the afternoon, MEJT said ultimately lower prices would print, which they clearly did. It also said ultimately higher prices would print, which they have not yet done. It's calling this move false, but that price target was hit here after the appropriate time. But this is a different target, the target from the ultimate buy signal. It says 2012.37 will print. It doesn't have any time limit, but usually you don't have to wait long. In the last 13.5 years, I have 7 ultimate targets which haven't printed. That's out of around 2,000. Well, I did say it would make things a bit clearer if we hit a new high, which we did. We now have a classic reversal signal where you gap down, recover to a new high, and close not only in the red but also under the initial low. This is a reversal signal. It should lead to lower prices, but it needs confirmation by going down more tomorrow. What are the odds that that will happen? Well, I have this ultimate signal. It doesn't have to print tomorrow, but it would make life a lot easier if it did. There is a lot of support at this low. If you set this leg equal to 78.6%, you'll see that's right at 100. This is a 127.2% Fibonacci extension. There's often support at that price. If you look at a daily chart, you'll see we've gone up 181.125 points over 363 days. That's right on the 1/2 Gann fan line. There is support there. Also, if you take this whole range, you'll see we are right at the 50% support line. I do think eventually we're going to break down. It could be tomorrow, but we have strong support. We've gone down to this support in a straight line, and if we're going to continue lower immediately, then ideally we should take out this low early tomorrow, ideally by having a gap under it. If that does not happen, and I think there's a very real chance it will not happen, I think the odds increase that we're going to see 2012.37 print sooner rather than later. So for the short term tomorrow, if we can't follow through instantly, I think we have a chance at 2012.37. If we do have a gap under this low, I think we'll see 1985.65 fairly soon. Ultimately, I think that the market is going lower, but until we take this out early tomorrow, I'm not certain we are ready to start that quite yet. Tomorrow's open should tell the story, and that is today's call.